Hi, my name's Jo. Today we're going to be continuing with our video series on creating licks for a C major solo using the first position C major scale. Okay, so in the initial video I covered the C major scale in first position. Just to recap, this is video 3, so we're covering 2 licks and breaking them down. The first lick today is this one. To begin with, I'm going to go to the G string 2nd fret with my middle finger here. I'm going to play the 2nd fret down, pick it, and then I'm going to pull off to the open string. Next, I'm going to go to the B string, play the 1st fret, down pick that, and pull off to the open string. I'm going to return back to the G string, 2nd fret, down pick here, pull off again to the open string. Come up to the D string, 2nd fret, middle finger, down pick, pull off to the open string, and then I'll finish the lick with my 3rd finger on the A string, 3rd fret, and down pick that. So just to recap, okay, lick number 2 today is this one. And I'll slow that down. I'm going to begin this one on the A string with the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, and I'm going to play a down up stroke with the pick. I'm then going to play the D string open with the down pick. I'm going to go back to the A string, play down up again with the finger remaining on the 3rd fret. This time on the D string, I'm going to place my middle finger onto the 2nd fret and play a down pick on that. I'm going to return to the A string one more time, down up, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, and then on the D string, I'm going to place my pinky on my little finger on the 3rd fret of the D string. And then I'm going to take my fingers off of the D string one at a time. So I'm going to lift my pinky to play the 2nd fret that has the middle finger on it. I'm going to remove the middle finger to play the open D string. And then I'm going to return to the A string and play the 3rd fret where the 3rd finger is. Okay, so the main thing to remember with these 2 licks is work at them slowly, get the picking nice and even, and just don't worry about getting them too fast. That will come over time. Concentrate on getting them comfortable and even and clear. If I put these 2 licks together now, this is what they'll sound like. Okay, I'll slow that down a little bit now. Okay, so there you have it, the next 2 licks in the series for soloing in C major. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, and if you want to catch up on what new comes up on the channel, and subscribe as well. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.